Welcome back to our 2D platformer using visual scripting in Unity 6.3. In this video, we're going to add some camera following. So right now, I'm just going to push play. I've got my scene here, and I can jump around, and that doesn't do me a whole lot of good because I'm stuck on this screen. So let's add some additional functionality to allow the camera to follow the player. So in order to do that, let's go to Window, Package Management, Package Manager. We're going to install a new package called Cinemachine. And this is going to give us a lot of really neat tools for how we can move the camera around. It is not currently in our project. It is in the Unity registry, so let's go over there. And then in the search, we want to look for the Cinemachine package. Once we've located that package, we can just click Install. It's a relatively small amount of data there, so we just need to wait for just a moment. And that's it. So I can just exit out of there. And it doesn't really look like too much happened here, but now if I right click here to create something in the hierarchy, I can go down here and I see that I have Cinemachine options. So out of all of our options here, the one that we want to use today is the targeted camera, the 2D camera. I'm just going to leave that alone. I've got all of these options here, but the one that I want to make sure that I take care of is the tracking target. This is the object that the camera is going to follow. So I'm just going to take the player and we'll drag that in right there. And we'll see right here in play mode, I can now move around and the camera is going to follow me. There are a few things that I can mess with a little bit. So for example, the tracking offset, I can move that forward if I want my player to be more towards the left side of the game. Same thing with the Y value. Just make the camera move a little bit differently. Up here in the lens, this is usually minimized. I can open that up. I can mess with the orthographic size. That's basically a way to zoom in or out. So there we go. Anytime you push stop, it's going to reset the values of these fields. So anything that I just did was now reset. One of the things that you can do is go here to game, and right now the game's not playing, so I can adjust right here to see what I've got going on. I can get it right where I want it. I'm just going to do 10 just because that's a nice even number. Okay, now we have camera follow. I can go back over here and I am free to duplicate this, and I can start making more level to explore. There we go. Now I have a much larger area to play with as I make my game.